Hi, I'm Jan Sergi Sagayo, and for me, communication is the process of sharing information, thoughts, ideas, or feelings from one person to another. Communication is significant for several reasons. Number one, it is the foundation of human interaction and relationship. Effective communication enables people to express themselves, share knowledge, collaborate, build trust, and resolve conflicts. Number three, when there is a lack of communication, various negative consequences can occur, just like misunderstanding, confusion, conflict can arise because people cannot express their needs, thoughts, or feelings. Number 4. How will we communicate is not determined by how well we say things but how well we understand by Andrew Grove. I think Andrew Grove trying to say that communication isn't about being articulate but about ensuring understanding. Thank you.